Hey Manny, my name is Lee Turbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition online and bring in more business. I'm not trying to waste either of our time, so if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you become more interested on how we can help grow your business online, give me a call so we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, just take the tips I've given you in the video and put them into action for yourself. All I ask for is some feedback on this video at the end. So let's jump right into it. 3 major things that I want to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page. And as we scroll down, you do have some content, and not a bad layout, but nowhere near 1,500 words. Now, you got to think Google is only a bot and can read. So if you don't have enough content with the keywords that people are typing in each and every month for your service, it's not going to know how to rank you, nor will it rank you high in the rankings. So as we scroll, you can see you have maybe 200 words on your home page. So I did a quick search for plumber, San Jose, California, and MC Plumbing is coming up in first place. So as we scroll down, you can see he does have more content than you at the moment, but not by much. If you were to go get that 1,500 words, you'd easily beat him out in this aspect. So let's go back to this Google main page. Now this first top section is Google Ads, and these companies are paying big money to be up here, and it's a waste of money in my eyes, because if you're ranking in this other section, these other 2 sections, the organic and the map pack, you don't need to be paying for ads monthly because you'll get enough business from these 2 alone. So let's touch base on this GMB or Google Map Pack. As you can see, My Council Plumbing and Router is in first place, and what gets you to be in first place in the rankings is citations. Now a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. In Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook's one of them. So I have a source I use called WhiteSpark.ca. It's a local citation finder, and I plugged in My Council Plumbing and Routers info, and it's showing me he has 27 citations. So that's very beatable. Best part about this is we can go in and see all his sources and go and submit for each one for your business, giving you more citations than him. Now, I'd like to go and get 80 to 100 more plus these ones, so not only does it swamp out these guys in the rankings, but you also get your name out there in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. And the third thing I want to talk about is a backlink. Now, a backlink is what ranks you in this organic section down here, which deals directly with your website. So a backlink is when one website links back to another website via hypertext. I'm sure you've seen it before. There's little blue writing where you click on it and it takes you to another website. Well, that is considered a backlink, and Google loves them and considers them votes for the website, because if one website is willing to send its traffic to another one, that means the other website is trustworthy. Google loves them. So I have a tool I use called Ahrefs, and this will show me a basic overview of your guys' site. Now, as you can see, I put in EJ Plumbing up here in the top, and it's going to show me your UR and your DR. Now, these 2 numbers are very important. This UR is the overall strength of your profile, and this DR is the overall strength of your backlink profile compared to others in your area. So you have a 31 and 11. That tells me that your backlinks aren't very strong. Now, you want these numbers as high as possible and as close together as possible, 100 being the best, 0 is the worst. So a 3130 or a 3230, that's an ideal number to have. And as you can see, you have 96 referring domains or websites giving you 566 backlinks. Now, these backlinks aren't created equal either. You want relevant backlinks linking back to your website. And from plumber's niche, let's say Pizza Hut were to give you a backlink, it's not going to transfer as much power as another plumbing website giving you a backlink. And the only ones that really matter are these do follow links, and you have 46 of them. So there's 46 that are transferring power to your website from the other website. So you're ranking for 797 keywords and getting around 990 traffic at the moment. So let's look at your competitor. Roto-Rooter, Bakersfield, California. He has a 20 and a 72. His backlink profile is much stronger than yours, but that rotorooter.com is what's powering it, not his Bakersfield, California location page. So it's showing me he has 6 do follow links. The best part about it is we can go in there into his backlinks and grab all these for yours. Plus, I have access to a ton of strong, powerful backlinks that'll make you climb the rankings very fast. But I want to touch base on your keywords that you're ranking for at the moment. So if we go into there, you can see you're ranking for your name, but plumber, San Jose, 2,100 searches a month, and you're in the 6th position. So we need to get you up in the 1st position. Now this is going to show me the keyword, the volume, and the position, and the traffic you're getting from it. And this KD is how hard it is to rank for it. So plumber Santa Clara, 250 searches. That's 250 people typing plumber Santa Clara each month, and it has a KD of 4. That means there's not many websites with this keyword in it. You're in the 2nd position. Let's scroll down. San Jose Plumbing, 200 searches a month. Plumber Sunnyvale, 200. San Jose Sewer Repair, 200 searches a month. Plumber Santa Clarita, 250. So there's a ton of search volume for your area for plumbers and all different types of services that you guys offer. But by not being at the top of the rankings, you're missing a lot out on it. So let's go over what we talked about. The first thing was content. You guys need at least 1,500 words on your home page to fit those special keywords throughout it. You can put 1 per every 100 words. Second thing we talked about was citations. Citations, your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. I like to go get 200 to 300 for you guys, beat out these guys by a landslide, and also to get your name out there in more directories. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks and ranking in this organic section. You guys need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. I'm Psychic, remember, so I bet you're wondering what now. Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do it on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my phone number is 570-240-5257. Thank you, Manny, for watching. And once again, any and all feedback after you watch this is greatly appreciated. Thanks again.